Gyms cost money, equipment gathers dust, memberships go unused, and most people who sign up in January have completely disappeared by March. But the people who quit the gym are not lazy. They are just training in the wrong place. Here is the truth. Your body is the most effective piece of training equipment that exists. It is always available. It costs nothing. It scales to any fitness level. And the strength it builds is more functional, more transferable, and more impressive than anything built on a machine. This is calisthenics. And in about 2 minutes, I will show you exactly why it builds a better body than the gym, and the 3 movements that prove it. By the end of this video, you will have 3 bodyweight movements that replace an entire gym routine. Stick around because the 3rd movement builds more total body strength than any machine in any gym, and requires nothing except your own body and a surface you can grip. First, the biggest calisthenics myth. You cannot build real muscle without weights. Wrong. Muscle does not know whether it is lifting iron or lifting your own body weight. It only responds to one thing: tension. Sufficient tension applied to a muscle fiber triggers mTOR1, the molecular signal that builds new muscle protein. Your body weight creates that tension just as effectively as a barbell does. The evidence is everywhere. Gymnasts train exclusively with body weight. Their muscle development, particularly in the upper body, core, and posterior chain, exceeds most gym athletes at equivalent training ages. Not because gymnastics is better than lifting, because progressive bodyweight training done correctly is equally effective at building muscle. Second myth. Calisthenics is only for beginners. Also wrong. The progressions available in bodyweight training, from standard push-ups to archer push-ups to one-arm push-ups, from basic rows to full pull-ups to muscle-ups, create a progression ladder that takes years to climb. Most gym-goers plateau because machines limit their range of motion and eliminate stabilizer muscle involvement. Calisthenics never eliminates stabilizers. Every rep trains your whole body to move as one integrated unit. If this is making sense, drop a like. Most people spend years paying for gym memberships when everything they need is already there. Now, before I give you the 3 movements, here's exactly why bodyweight training builds a different kind of strength than the gym. A kind that actually transfers to real life. Because once you understand this, you will never look at a machine the same way again. When you train on a gym machine, the machine controls the movement path. Your body simply provides the force. The stabilizing muscles, the small muscles surrounding every joint that protect it during movement, barely activate because the machine is doing their job for them. This is why people who are strong on machines often struggle with basic bodyweight movements. Their primary movers are developed, but their stabilizers are years behind. The result is a body that looks strong, but moves poorly. Calisthenics works the opposite way. Every bodyweight movement requires your stabilizing muscles to fire continuously throughout the entire range of motion. Your shoulder stabilizers, your core, your hip stabilizers, all engaged simultaneously just to control the movement. This is called integrated strength. It is the kind of strength that transfers to sport, to daily life, to every physical task your body ever faces. There is also a joint health component that most people never consider. Machine-based training locks your joints into fixed movement paths. Over years, this creates imbalances and overuse injuries in the exact positions the machine forces. Calisthenics allows your joints to move through their natural range, which strengthens the connective tissue around the joint rather than wearing it down. The result, over time, is a body that is not just strong, but durable. Strong joints, balanced muscles, functional movement in every direction. 3 movements, full body covered, 0 equipment. Exercise 1, pull-up. The pull-up is the single most effective upper body pulling exercise that exists, bodyweight or weighted. Find anything you can hang from. A pull-up bar, a sturdy door frame, a tree branch. Grip it with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width, palms facing away. From a dead hang, drive your elbows down and back simultaneously until your chin clears the bar. Lower yourself with control over 3 seconds. This movement trains your lats, your rhomboids, your rear deltoids, your biceps, and your core simultaneously. No machine targets this many muscles in this movement pattern. Start with whatever number you can do with perfect form. Even 2 or 3. Add 1 rep per session. Progression here is visible and fast. Share this with someone who thinks you need a gym to build a strong back. The next exercise will completely change how they think about upper body training. Exercise 2, push-up with slow eccentric. The push-up done correctly is not a beginner exercise. It is a full body movement that trains your chest, shoulders, triceps, serratus anterior, and core simultaneously. The key word is correctly. Get into a push-up position. Body in a perfect straight line from head to heels. Lower yourself over 3 full seconds, chest making contact with the floor. Drive back up. That is 1 rep. The 3-second lowering phase is where the muscle-building signal fires hardest. Most people drop in 1 second and eliminate 70% of the stimulus. Slow it down and a standard push-up becomes one of the most effective upper body exercises available anywhere. When standard push-ups become too easy, move to close grip, then archer push-ups, then eventually one-arm push-ups. This progression alone takes most people 2 years to complete, which means you will never outgrow this exercise. Subscribe to Zero Gym Fit. Every week I break down exactly this kind of training that most fitness channels never explain properly. Exercise 3. Australian pull-up. This is the most underrated bodyweight exercise that exists. Find a low horizontal surface, a sturdy table, a barbell and a rack set low, playground bars. Position yourself underneath it. Grip it with both hands at shoulder width. Your body hangs at an angle with your feet on the floor. The steeper the angle, the harder it becomes. Now pull your chest up to meet the bar by driving your elbows back. Your entire posterior chain fires, lats, rhomboids, rear deltoids, biceps, and the deep stabilizers of your spine. Lower yourself slowly, 3 seconds down. This movement trains the same muscles as a seated row and a lat pull down simultaneously. Without a machine, without a gym, just you and a low surface. Progress it by steepening the angle of your body until your feet are elevated, at which point it becomes essentially a horizontal pull-up. 3 movements. Pull-up for vertical pulling strength. Push-up for full upper body pushing. Australian pull-up for horizontal pulling and posterior chain. No membership, no machines, no monthly fee, no waiting for equipment, no parking. Just your body, which you already own, and the movements that have been building strong physiques since before gyms existed. Most people stay in the gym because it feels like the serious option. Calisthenics feels too simple, but simple is not weak. Simple done progressively is the most effective training system on earth. The gym is a tool. Your body is the tool you were born with. Stop renting one when you already own the other. Drop a comment below. Tell me why you want to quit the gym or why you already have. I read every single one. Zero gym, zero excuses, just results. Subscribe to Zero Gym Fit because your body is capable of a lot more than bad habits have been letting it show.